Hello, Ethical here, so you can watch this video, how perfect it has made, and in the same way you can also generate thousands of videos by using your own picture, that too absolutely free. So the first thing is to go to this website called Viggle.ai. So here you will see two tabs, a home and a prompt. So the first Discord server has to be joined by clicking on the join the beta. So after joining you will come to this server. So we have joined the server. Now let's go to the second tab, which is prompt. So when you come here, you will see many video clips. Some are clips of very famous movies and some are of TikTok videos, and there are many pages here. You can explore yourself. So you can use the video that you get here. So let's use this video. Then we will click on it and copy it. After copying, you have to go to Viggle server and you will see many channels here. You have to click on one channel. After that you have to run this command, /animate, and when you click on it, then it will ask you for some things here, like image, motion prompt, background, and fine-tune. So in the image, you have to give your image here. After that in the motion prompt, you have to paste what you copied from the Viggle website, and in the background you get three options, white background, green background, and template background. You can choose anyone and keep the fine-tune on. After that you have to enter. It will take some time after that. Look, he has changed some such looking video from our character. And if you have to give a video yourself and you want your image to be added to that video, then you can do that too. Just take that video in which you want to put your picture. After that come here and run the command, /mix, give your image here and give video and select background. Turn on the fine-tune and enter, and in some time you will get your video.